Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the cubic x cube plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then all the roots are non-real complex. Two roots are non-real complex. All the roots are real. Alpha to the power 5 plus beta to the power 5 plus gamma to the power 5 is 10. Let's start with the summation of alpha to the power 5, beta to the power 5 and gamma to the power 5. That is sigma alpha to the power 5. Now alpha would satisfy the equation x cube plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So we have alpha cube plus 2 alpha plus 1 equal to 0. So alpha cube is minus 2 alpha minus 1. Alpha to the power 5 can be written as alpha cube into alpha square. Alpha cube is minus 2 alpha minus 1. So we have sigma minus 2 alpha cube minus alpha square. Now alpha cube is minus 2 alpha minus 1. So we have sigma minus alpha square plus 4 alpha plus 2. Now let's open this sigma. So we have minus alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, and 4 times alpha plus beta plus gamma. 2 will come 3 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 6. Now the equation is x cube plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So using sum of the roots formula, coefficient of x square is 0. We can write this equation as x cube plus 0 times x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 0. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is negative 0, which is 0. Then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is 2, because coefficient of x is 2. And finally alpha into beta into gamma is constant 1 divided by 1 into x cube 1, but there will be a negative sign. Now we want alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Alpha plus beta plus gamma we already have. So let's take the square of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So we have got 0 square then this fellow is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So we have got alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to minus 4. Square of a real number, square of a real number again, square of a real number can never be negative. So alpha, beta, gamma, all the three cannot be real. So at least two have to be complex. Why two? Because complex roots are conjugate. Three roots cannot be complex because complex roots are conjugate, so you can have two complex roots 4, 6. So exactly two roots are complex, non-real, and one root is real. That means option B is correct. Proceeding further, we have got this step with us. We want alpha to the power 5 plus beta to the power 5 plus gamma to the power 5. So minus of minus 4. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0. So 4 times 0. And then we have got plus 6. So 4 plus 6, 10. So option D is also correct. So options B and D.